There's only about a $50 price difference between these two devices, but choosing the wrong one could cost you thousands of dollars if it doesn't fit your needs. So, when it comes to the TOPDON RLink X7 and the T6 Lite, which one is the better investment for someone just getting started? Let's find out in today's video. In today's video, we're putting the TOPDON RLink X7 and the T6 Lite head-to-head to help you make the right buying decision. This comparison is based on real-world testing and hands-on experience from professional technicians, not just the specifications provided by the manufacturers. We'll compare these two devices across the following key areas: price, hardware platform and communication protocols, vehicle and brand coverage, real-world performance, long-term cost of ownership, final verdict and recommendations. Part 1. Price. Before we begin, there's one very important point you should know. Both the T6 Lite and the TOPDON RLink X7 are J2534 pass-through devices. That means you'll also need a laptop, the appropriate OEM software for each vehicle brand. Both devices are positioned in the mid-range price segment. Their starting prices differ by only about $50. However, that's just the hardware price and does not include the cost of OEM software licenses. If you plan to work with multiple vehicle brands, those license fees are an important part of the total investment and should definitely be factored into your budget. Part 2. Hardware platform and communication protocols. When it comes to vehicle communication, both devices are almost identical. They support all the latest communication protocols, including J2534, DUIP, CAN-FD, CAN. This means both devices can work with modern vehicles such as Volkswagen Golf 8, BMW G Series, Mercedes-Benz W223. The main difference lies in their connectivity options. The T6 Lite supports USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. This allows technicians to work completely wirelessly whenever needed, providing greater flexibility in the workshop. In contrast, the TOPDON RLink X7 only supports USB-C connectivity. While this isn't a major drawback, it does make the device slightly less flexible for everyday use. Part 3. Vehicle and brand coverage. Although both devices support the latest communication protocols, they are primarily designed for passenger vehicles from 2010 through 2026 and newer. It's also important to note that neither device supports commercial trucks. Now let's look at brand coverage. T6 Lite provides in-depth support for 13 vehicle brands, focuses primarily on European and Asian manufacturers. TOPDON RLink X7 supports approximately 18 different vehicle brands. If we look purely at the number of supported brands, the RLink X7 has the advantage. However, more supported brands don't always mean deeper functionality or better compatibility. The quality and depth of support for each brand are just as important as the number of brands listed. Part 4. Real-world performance. This is the most important part of today's comparison. We tested both devices on 3 major European platforms: Mercedes-Benz, BMW, VAG, T6 Lite, for everyday tasks such as diagnostics, reading and clearing fault codes, adaptation, actual tests, live data. T6 Lite performed consistently and reliably. However, when performing long or complex coding operations, the device reached its limitations and was unable to complete the coding process. For shorter and more basic coding tasks, it worked without any issues. TOPDON RLink X7. The TOPDON RLink X7 also performed well during basic operations, including diagnostics, adaptation, actual tests, live data. All of these functions worked smoothly. However, during coding, we frequently experienced communication drops between the device and the ECU, causing the coding process to disconnect and interrupt the workflow. Based on our real-world testing, if your daily work mainly involves diagnostics, reading and clearing fault codes, actual tests, actuation, basic coding, then the T6 Lite delivers a more stable experience, offering faster communication, more reliable connections, and fewer interruptions than the TOPDON RLink X7. Part 5. Long-term cost of ownership. This is one of the most important factors when investing in diagnostic equipment, as it directly affects your workshop's long-term costs. For both devices, the OEM software licenses represent the biggest ongoing expense, especially if you plan to work with multiple vehicle brands. However, when considering the total cost of ownership and long-term value, the T6 Lite offers a better return on investment, making it a more cost-effective choice, particularly for small and medium-sized workshops. Final verdict. Based on our real-world testing and hands-on comparisons, it's clear that both the T6 Lite and the TOPDON RLink X7 are excellent choices for small workshops, beginner technicians, and repair shops that primarily perform basic diagnostic tasks. If your priorities are stable and reliable connections, smooth performance with fewer communication issues, lower long-term investment costs, then the T6 Lite is the better choice. On the other hand, if you need support for a wider range of vehicle brands and don't mind occasional connection issues during coding, the TOPDON RLink X7 is still a solid option. At the end of the day, there's no perfect tool for everyone. The best diagnostic device is the one that fits your workshop's actual needs, not simply the one with the longest list of supported features or vehicle brands. If you're still unsure which device is right for you, leave your questions in the comments below or contact us via WhatsApp. Our technical team will be happy to help you choose the best solution for your workshop. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world automotive diagnostic tests, product reviews, and professional tool comparisons in future videos.